pwede po bang malaman kay Policewoman Acosta bakit niya din-activate yung body worn camera?
Your Honor, I was assigned to call the arresting officers to go upstairs po, Your Honor.
Ako po yung nautusan na ikat po yung CCTV, sir.
Sinong nag-utos sa'yo? Patrolman Cariaga.
Police Major Quijano po.
Oh, 2 points. Sa ating lahat, good morning po. Mr. Chair, based on the report, there are personnel allegedly involved, personnel from Office of the Chief PNP, NCRPO, and District Special Operations Unit of the Southern Police District. Mr. Chair, maaari po bang malaman kung sino yung sinasabing alleged involved personnel from the Office of the Chief PNP? Pwede po ba? Mr. Chair?
Chief PNP, please. Mr. Chair, I would like to clarify that during the commission of the crime, there was no personnel who was assigned sa OCPNP. The person now assigned at OCPNP is Police Brigadier General Mariano in response to the investigation being conducted. So I had him assigned to the office of the GPNP so as not to unnecessarily somehow give undue influence to the ongoing investigation. So to clarify matters, sir, during the commission of the crime, not one of our PNP personnel was assigned to the OCPNP, sir.
So very clear, Mr. Chair, kasi yung nabasa kong report, sinasabi allegedly there are personnel involved assigned sa Office of the Chief PNP. And being a retired police officer, nangyayari po talaga yun para malinaw sa lahat na usually, especially kapag officers at alleged involved sa isang insidente katulad nito, nire-relieve yan sa present assignment and floating status siya sa Office of the Chief PNP. So, very clear po na hindi siya involved during the, hindi siya assigned sa Office of the Chief PNP nung mangyari yung incident. Tama po ba, Chief PNP?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. At least malinaw po. Yung pong, Mr. Chair, pwede po bang malaman sino yung mga personnel, PNP personnel assigned from NCRPO? By the way, klaro ano po? Parang kung intindi po natin, babasahin ko yung report na nabasa ko. Parang sinasabi po kasi, kung ang mga ito ay 44 personnel, hindi lahat assigned sa DSOU. Tama po ba, Mr. Chair? Merong assigned sa headquarters NCRPO?
Your Honor,
Yes.
to whom are you addressing that question? To the former SPG director or the NCRPO director?
Maybe for NCRPO director, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor, sir. With regards to personnel assigned at NCRPO headquarters, none, Your Honor.
So, ibig po sabihin, Mr. Chair, ang alleged involved personnel are all assigned with the DSOU, Southern Police District. Tama po ba?
No, Your Honor. There are personnel coming from Parañaque Police Station, particularly Tambo, precinct of the Parañaque CPS, personnel from SPD WCPD, and personnel from SPD TMRU.
Okay, klaro. Mr. Chair, thank you, General Nartates. So, yung pong personnel na nag-conduct or nag-serve ng search warrant, Mr. Chair, pwede po bang tumayo? Lahat po ng personnel na nag-serve ng search warrant, Mr. Chair. General Mariano?
Congressman Bosita, siguro we will be inviting other members of the PNP also to fill up the yung mga chairs dito. Sayang naman, no? Dito na po kayo maupo para hindi na po kami nahihirapan kapag we'll be asking for your presence dito para nakikita namin. Please.
PNCOs, please occupy the vacant seats. General Mariano.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
So all in all, 44 yung involved dun sa serving ng search warrant.
Yes, Your Honor, kasama po yung taga Parañaque City Police Station, yung commander po sa led by Major Magsalos and the SWAT team from the City Police Station.
So Mr. Chair, composite team pala tong nag-conduct ng nag-serve ng search warrant. Okay, gentlemen, you may take your seats. Sino po ang nag-lead ng pag-serve ng search warrant? Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, I'm the team leader during the implementation of the search warrant, Mr. Police
Yo-
Lieutenant Colonel Jolet Guevara, Mr. Chair.
Gibara.
Yes. Mr.
Police Lieutenant Colonel Gibara.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Based on the report, sinerve niyo yung search warrant on September 16 at around 1 o'clock in the morning. Tama ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nabanggit din sa report na dina-activate ninyo yung body-worn camera. Yes or no?
I have no personal knowledge of that, Mr. Chair, because I'm not the one who's handling the body worn camera. But my instruction is to adhere with the MC regarding the handling of body worn camera, Mr. Chair.
So are you telling us na hindi mo alam pero ikaw ang team leader ng pag-serve ng
Yes,
search
Mr.
warrant?
Yes, Mr. Chair. But
Okay.
my instruction during the briefing, Mr. Chair, is very clear to adhere with the guidance regarding the usage of body worn camera, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, pwede po bang patayuin natin yung mayroong body-worn camera during the
I think
operation?
the one assigned with the body worn camera was Patrolman Acosta. Yeah, ayan si what's her name? Julie. Patrolwoman
Patrolwoman Acosta, sir.
Julie Acosta. Speak louder, please.
Kyra Acosta, sir.
Ayun, siya yung assigned sa body worn camera. Kaso yung isa lang.
So mag-isa lang.
Body-worn camera. Dapat at least dalawa yan in accordance with the ruling of the Supreme Court.
So very clear na may lapses na gadon, Mr. Chair. Policewoman na Acosta.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, pwede po bang malaman kay Policewoman Acosta bakit niya din-activate yung body-worn camera?
Your Honor, I was assigned to call the arresting officers to go upstairs po, Your Honor.
So anong relevance nun? Ba't kailangan patayin mo yung body-worn camera? May nagbigay ba sa'yo ng instruction o wala? Meron, wala.
Tinatanong ka,
Please be reminded, Patrolwoman Acosta, under oath kayo. May nagbigay sa'yo ng instruction to deactivate body-worn camera or wala?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino ang nag-utos sa'yo?
Police Major Quijano, Your Honor.
Police Major,
Quijano, Your Honor.
First Police Major Quijano. Quijana. Is it true na nagbigay ka ng instruction to deactivate body-worn camera of Patrolwoman Acosta?
Your Honor,
Please answer the question, yes or no?
no, Your Honor.
So, sino nagsisinungaling sa inyo? Siyempre, contradicting yung inyong response reply.
Wala po akong instruction, Your Honor, na i-off yung camera namin.
Patrolwoman Acosta. Totoo o hindi na inutusan ka ni Colonel Quijana?
Totoo po, Your Honor.
Okay. Sino ang nag-cut ng digital video recorder? Sa pagkakaalam mo, okay, Mr. Chair, somebody's raising his hand.
You're asking about the Congressman Busita, you're asking about the CCTV.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sige, go ahead. Sino may kinalaman doon sa pagpuputol ng CCTV sa loob ng Unit 1811? Sige, you're raising your hand. Please state your name and your position.
I'm Patrolman Cariaga from DSOU and ako po yung nautusan na ikat po yung CCTV, sir.
Sinong nag-utos sa'yo? Patrolman Cariaga.
Police Major Quijano po.
Oh, 2 points. Police Major Quijana. Nagsisinungaling din ba ito si Patrolman Cariaga?
Mr. Chair, Congressman
Mr.
Busita, before you proceed, Vice Chairman Acop, may we remind the resource speakers to refrain from lying, ano? If this hearing, this committee will find out that you are lying many times, we will be compelled to do something that you will not like. Okay? Please refrain. Okay, go
With
ahead.
the indulgence of the Honorable Busita.
Yes,
Ano
Mr. Chair.
pangalan mo?
Patrolman dyan, Renzi Cariaga po.
Hindi ba tinanong kita kanina kung kayo ay naniniwala doon sa report ng inyong district director na walang masama nga kayong ginawa? Di ba? Sumagot ka sa akin ng oo kanina. Nagtaas ka nga ng kamay eh. Kaya nga tinanong ko yung kanina eh kasi mamaya ako kayo babakbakan.
Your Honor, hindi po ako nag-raise ng kamay ko at hindi ko po halos nalilito po ako dun sa tanong niyo po, Your Honor.
Kasi alam ko naman na hindi nyo alam yung buong nangyayari eh. Di ba sa dami ninyo, merong mga miyembro dyan na hindi alam yung buong nangyayari. Kaya ako tinatanong yon. Kasi ito, it will mean your profession, whether you'll be booted out or not. Kaya tinanong ko yung kanina eh. Kung naniniwala kayo doon sa report ni General Nartates o sa report ni General Mariano. Di ba? Kasi may pagkakaiba eh. Thank you, Mr.
And
Chair.
that's a very the importance of this hearing is to ferret out the truth, no? For us to be guided on the certain provisions that we will be filing or making new laws, no? Considering that there are two sides of the stories, no? Dalawa, yung kanina tinatanong kayo kung para simplify na lang, anong pinaniniwalaan yung report? Yung report ba ni General Roderick Mariano o yung report ni General Nartates? At kanina, lahat kayo nagtaasan. At tinanong ni Congressman Acop, sino ang hindi naniniwala doon sa report kung naniniwala kayo sa report ni General Nartates, wala namang tumaas ng kamay. Kaya kayo lahat na naandyan, yung 35, naniniwala kayo doon sa report ni General Roderick Mariano. Ganun pa rin ang sitwasyon until right now. Ganun pa rin po ba? Si Patrolman, so kanina ngayon sabi mo tumaas ka ng kamay, pero saan ka tumaas ng kamay?
Your Honor, hindi po ako nagtaas ng kamay, gawa po nung nako-confuse po ako dun sa may tanong po ni Mr.
No, ngayon, siguro para maliwanag. Dalawang bagay kasi ang pinag-uusapan natin dito eh. Kasi nag-imbestiga ang grupo ng NCRPO headed by General Nartates. At doon sa kanyang pag-iimbestiga, nakita hindi lamang yung mga lapses but yung mga violations ng inyong PNP operational procedure. Ang dami. So ngayon tinatanong kayo kung anong pinapaniwalaan yung report kanina sa amin. Kung yung kay General Nartates o yung kay General Mariano. Kasi ang premise nga naman ni Vice Chairman Acop, ano? Doon magbabase ang kanyang mga question sa lahat ng mga involved dito sa alleged irregularities. Kaya yung kasi kami, hanggang ngayon kami, hindi pa rin namin alam kung anong istorya because there are investigation that was conducted by NCRPO and there were also conducted by the SPD. And basically, we are balancing all this investigation. But of course, we are entitled on our own line of questioning. Kaya nga, ang tanong, muli, tatanungin namin kayo for the last time, andito naman kayo lahat, no? Kung ano pinapaniwalaan yung version nung nangyaring sitwasyon noong September 16. Ulit. So lahat ba kayo naniniwala doon sa investigasyon ni General Nartates? Taas ang kamay na naniniwala doon sa investigasyon ni General Nartates. Paki-state yung pangalan.
Patayin mo na lang yung
Hindi kasi pangalan eh, para makita natin. Sige, isa-isa na natin. Sige, para. Ha? Okay? Sige.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Police Chief Master Sergeant Amante Garcia, Your Honor, the former Chief Clerk of DSOU SPD.
Ano pinapaniwalaan mo?
Well, Your Honor, the investigation report of General Mariano contains details that are true. Most that are true, and the IR of the regional director contains the reports that are withheld by the-
Basically, ang tinatanong namin para simplify tayo para hindi nyo na-explain, ano? Alam natin that mayroong mga katotohanan sa bawat report ni General Mariano, but there are those not. So basically, kung nadinig mo yung statement kanina niya, lahat regarding sa istorya, meron lang isa o dalawang pagkakamali dyan, dapat magdesisyon kayo kung tama o hindi. Di ba? So, basically, yun ang tinatanong sa iyo ni Congressman Acop kanina.
Yes, Your Honor, I believe in the investigation report of the NCRPO, Your Honor.
Okay, yun lang. Sige, go. Yung susunod. State your name and your decision on two sides of the story.
This is GJS Ruiz, Your Honor. I agree the NCRPO investigation.
Susunod.
Patrolman John Renzi Cariaga, and I agreed with investigation of NCRPO.
Inamin mo na nga na pinutol mo.
Sige, okay, go.
Hello, Patrolman Carl Daniel Ladena, Your Honor. And I agree with the investigation of the NCRPO, Your Honor.
Patrolman Elson Galupas po, Your Honor. Agree with the NCRPO.
Patrolwoman Justin Kyra Acosta, Your Honor, and I agree with the NCRPO, Your Honor.
Patrolman Adrian Maambong, Your Honor. And I agree with
Ay, mga official
NCRPO.
ang tato kasi tumoy ito.
Police Staff Sergeant Roy, GPO Quinto. I agree with the report of former District Director Roderick Mariano, sir. As a perimeter security, sir. Patrolman Christian De Caga po. I agree with NCRPO po.
Next.
Tanong ko lang yun, na-divide na sila.
Bilangin mo.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Staff Sergeant Robert Allen Russell. I agree both on the investigation, Your Honor.
Next.
Good afternoon po sa Honorable Committee po. Parehas po na tama po yung report ng NCRPO at saka DD po.
Parehong tama. Wala ka nakitang mali sa lahat. Contradicting yun eh. Contradicting yung dalawang yun. Paano naniwala ka pareho sa lahat?
Your Honor, sa kabila po kasi may tama. Tapos yung kabila po, yun po yung chronological po na
Alam mo, nag-ano ka, nagpe-play safe ka. You want to please everybody. That's not the way it goes, no? Dapat tingnan mo kung babalansin mo kung sino mas maraming tama, sino mas maraming mali. Ano?
May I ask the question, Mr. Chair?
Ha?
Tanongin ko yung babae.
Yes, sige, go ahead. Congressman ako.
Iya. Narinig mo naman yung sinabi ni Southern Police District na halos walang violation of law. Naniniwala ka ba doon?
hindi po sa lahat, Your Honor.
Po sabihin sa lahat. Ang alleged victims dito, Chinese nationals. 4 females, Chinese national. Tayo, pare-parehong Pilipino. Retired police ako, police kayo. Pero kailangan, suportahan natin yung House Resolution ni Honorable Vice Chairman Acop. Bakit? Para sa interest ng service. Regardless kung Chinese o Filipino yan, kailangan tamang trabaho. Kaya nandito tayo. Hindi tayo magkakaaway dito. Kailangan lang, yung mali, may correct na. Para hindi na maulit. And nandiyan si General Acop, si Congressman Bustos, dati kaming pulis eh. Huwag tayong maglokohan. Huwag tayong maglokohan. Sumagot kayo ng ayos. Otherwise, ayaw kong magpakulong pero baka magpakulong ako ng opisyal sa inyo. Going back, Patrolwoman Acosta,
Yes po, Your Honor.
di ba bago mo din-activate yung body worn camera? Of course, buhay pa yon, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sinasabi mo na nag-utos sa'yo si Major Quijana, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Siya yung direktang nagbigay ng instruction sa'yo? Yes or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, marirecall mo ba kung ano yung eksaktong sinabi niya nung nagbigay siya ng instruction sa'yo?
Your Honor, sinabihan po ako na tawagan po yung mga arresting officers po para umakyat na po doon.
Excuse me. Baka ipasama kita ipakulong sa for contempt.
And
Ang tinatanong ko sa'yo, ano yung nare-recall mong instruction sa'yo na para i-deactivate mo yung body worn camera?
yun po Your Honor. Sinabi po sa akin, Your Honor, na tawagan po yung arresting officer. At doon ko po tinanong, Sir, Your Honor, kung pwede pong patayin yung BWC.
Mr. Chair, pinapaikot tayo nito si Policewoman Acosta eh. Sinabi mo, ang may instruction na deactivate yung body worn camera si Major Quijana. Paano mo nasabi na nagbigay siya ng instruction samantalang ang sinasabi mo may pinapatawag sa'yo na arresting officers?
Your Honor, bago ko po patayin yung BWC, yun po yung instruction sa akin, Your Honor.
O sige, tapos bumalik ka.
Pagkatanong ko po nun, Your Honor, pinatay ko na po yung BWC, saka ko po tinawagan yung arresting officers, Your Honor. Makikita po doon, Your Honor, sa CCTV po.
Hindi, paano mo ngayon sasabihin sa committee na to na si Major Quijana ang may instruction sa'yo?
Sa kanya po ako nagtanong, Your Honor.
Anong itinanong mo sa kanya?
Kung papatayin yung BWC, Your Honor.
Anong sabi niya?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Paano mo siya tinanong?
Kung pwedeng patayin yung BWC, Your Honor, since tatawagan ko po yung arresting officers, Your Honor.
Di ba ang procedure sa BWC, from the time na nag-arrive kayo sa location, open na yun. Hindi mo naman pwedeng patayin yun. Kasi, well, eto mga failures natin eh. Actually, pinag-uusapan natin to, Congressman Busita, di ba? That yung procedure, actuality nung inyong tinatawag na procedure in accordance with the en banc resolution of the Supreme Court. Kailangan, pagdating sa operation, nagsasalita na yung may hawak nun, ito na, start ang operation namin. So, binubuksan na namin yung aming body worn camera. Doon, start na yun eh. Kung hindi mo na siya pwedeng patayin eh, violation na yun pag pinatay mo. And that's the reason why you have the 27-minute gap na sinasabi nila General Natates. That is a violation. There is a tendency for you to hide something. That's the reason why you turn it off. Now, ngayon, kanina nagsasabi kayo na naniniwala kayo sa istorya ni General Natates. Ibig sabihin, kung naniniwala ka sa istorya niya, may mali kayo doon sa procedure. And yung pag-amin nyo, that's not negate your responsibility or your culpability nyo doon sa nangyari sitwasyon. So, Congressman Busita, sige, you can proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Congressman,
Connection with the question of the
will you allow it,
Iha.
Congressman Busita?
Yes, Mr. Chair, of
Okay.
course.
Iha, bakit kailangan mong tanungin yung boss mo kung papatayin mo yung body worn camera? Bakit kailangan?
May inuutos po kasi sa akin, Your Honor.
Ano yung iniuutos sa inyo?
Yung tawagan po yung arresting officer.
So in other
Your Honor.
words, ang sinasabi mo, wala pa sa lugar na yun, yung mga arresting officers, tatawagan nyo pa. Kasi may grupo na nauna. Tama?
Hinintay po kasi ng arresting officers, Your Honor, yung mga witnesses po sa baba, Your Honor.
Kaya nga, kasi ibang grupo yung mag-aaresto pagkatapos na maklear ng mga naunang elements na pumasok doon sa 1811. Tama?
Your Honor, arresting officers together with the seizing po, Your Honor.
Hindi mo naman
Yes,
ako
sir, sir.
sinasagot, Iha eh. Mamaya pag nainis ako, I will cite you for contempt. Sagutin mo yung tanong ko.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ang tanong ko, bakit kailangan tanungin mo yung si Police Major Quijana kung papatayin mo yung BSW samantalang alam mo dapat na hindi pinapatayan?
Dahil pinatawagan po sa akin, Your Honor, yung mga arresting officers po na wala pa po sa taas, Your Honor.
Bakit nga kailangan patayin mo? I-record nun lahat ng ginagawa ninyo eh.
Okay, tanungin natin para in relation to that. Ano ba yung ginamit mong body worn camera? Body worn camera o ARD? Kasi kung inuutusan ka, natawagan yung yung arresting officer, baka ang gamit mo ay ARD. Yun din ang gagamitin mong pantawag. Tinutulungan na kita sa justification mo, anong gamit mo?
BWC, Your Honor.
Body worn. So body worn camera, so hindi mo na siya dapat pinatay. Kung body worn camera siya, nakalagay sa dibdib mo, pwede ka naman tumawag na inuutusan ka. So ang reason, bakit mo pinatay? Ang tanong, bakit mo pinatay? Yes. You want to answer that?
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Tuloy ko na. Sige, you can proceed. Tapos na yung question mo, no?
Mr. Chair, with the indulgence of Congressman Busita, just for 10 seconds.
10 seconds now.
10 seconds.
Okay,
Yes,
go ahead.
Yes.
Congressman Busita. Bustos.
I would grab this opportunity kasi nandito yung mga polis at naka-live tayo, di ba? So maraming nanonood na polis sigurado. Para hindi na po maulit ito. Next paragraph of section 3, babasahin ko sa inyo. Both video and audio recordings, functions of camera shall be activated as soon as the officers arrive at the place of arrest. No? Malinaw ito, huwag nyo nang tanongin yung boss nyo, kapag inutusan kayo, may ibang plano. So, kahit anong ranggo nyo po, no, kahit anong ranggo nyo, mas bababa ka doon sa nagutos sa'yo, panindigan mo to kasi ang loyalty natin is sa tao. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Yes, sir. Exacto. Policewoman Acosta,
Yes, Your Honor.
bigyan ka namin ng chance na umayos sa sagot mo, ha? Paano ka, kasi ayaw mong sabihin yung totoo eh. No? Alam mo, kahit mabay tayo, napipikon din tayo, no? Kasi pala, nagsisinungaling ka eh. Pag hindi mo ayusin, believe me, papakulong kita. Ngayon. Nagtanong ka kay Major Quijana o hindi?
Nagsabi po siya sa akin, Your Honor, na patayin po yung BWC.
So hindi ka nagtanong. Tama? Mali?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Yan ang totoo eh. Pinapaikot mo kami kasi kami kaya nakakainit ka ng ulo. Oh, wag mong baguhin kasi alam namin yung totoo at hindi. Kinaklarify lang namin. So anong eksaktong sabi sa'yo ni Major Quijana?
Patayin yung BWC camera, Your Honor, at tawagan po yung mga taong aakyat pa, Your Honor.
Yan ang kapanipaniwala. No? Mm. Okay. Mr. Chair, balik po tayo kay Patrolman Cariaga. Patrolman Cariaga, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Your Honor.
Paano ka inutusan ni Major Quijana na ikat yung DBR?
Your Honor, simulan ko po dun sa naging tasking ko po talaga. Ang tasking ko po talaga is searcher po ako. Since kami lang po yung naka-uniform dahil searcher po kami. Kami po muna yung dineploy dun sa baba as perimeter security para po i-hold po yung mga security para hindi po makompromise yung operations. Then pinatawag na po kami paakyat po. Nung pag-akyat po namin, tinatawag po kami ni deputy. Nung tinawag na po ako,
Sinong deputy, by the way, Mr. Chair? Major Quijana.
yes po, Your Honor.
Deputy siya ng Special Operations Unit ng SPD. Tama?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay. So, na ipatawag, nakarap mo siya. Anong specific instruction sa'yo pertaining to this, yung pagputol ng DBR?
Sabi lang po sa akin, bunutin mo na yung CCTV.
After na bigyan ka ng instruction na bunutin yung cord sa CCTV, ano pa yung sinabi niya?
Wala na po. Ano na lang po ako sa kanya. Sinunod yun na lang po yung instruction niya kahit ano po sa akin yun.
Alam mo, may tinatawag tayong lawful and unlawful orders.
Yes po, sir.
Oh, by the way, thank you at nagsasabi ka ng totoo para hindi nainit ulo namin.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it lawful or unlawful order?
Unlawful po.
Oh, clear. Major Quijana. Mr. Chair. Dalawang police dan commission officers yung nagsasabi na inutusan mo. Yung isa, i-deactivate yung body worn camera and the other one is bunutin yung cord ng DVR. I-deny mo pa rin ba yung sinasabi nila o hindi?
Your Honor, wala po akong inuutos na gano'n, Your Honor.
Okay. Patrolwoman Acosta. Siyempre, nung utusan ka niya, allegedly, naka-on pa yung camera, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Mr. Chair, pwede po bang ma-find out natin or ma-present yung camera?
Yeah, I think the group of General Natates have the copy, nung BWC. But in accordance with what I read, after the BWC was supposedly to be turned over to the data custodian, mismong si Patrolman Acosta ang naglipat sa isang USB. Is that right, Patrolman Acosta? In accordance with your affidavit, that was one of the reason that you have been accused as well, of I think tampering dahil hindi ikaw yung may dapat na maglilipat noon, dapat yung data custodian, di ba? After the BWC or the end of the operation, it would be submitted to them, di ba? Ang problem, maka-altered na yon. So hindi ko alam siguro General Natates, so nakita nyo ba sa record ng BWC? Andun yung voice over na inutusan na patayin yung BWC? Wala.
None, Your Honor.
So kung wala, I think yun ang handling of the BWC was not done properly by Patrolman Acosta. And that's the reason why sinasabi natin kanina, may mga, well, yung mga lapses nila sa pag-handle ng BWC. At tanongin natin si Patrolman Acosta. Siguro kasi ikaw nag-handle nun eh. Alam na alam mo eh. So, nung binubuksan mo na yung BWC, madidinig mo na doon yung order eh, di ba? Nadinig mo yung order doon, di ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
So, nung sinubmit mo na sa data custodian yun, binigay mo na sa kanila, at nilipat mo na sa device, natanggal ba yon?
Your Honor, hindi po ako yung naglipat sa USB, Your Honor. Yung data custodian po yung naglipat doon.
Sino yung
Your
data
Honor.
custodian? Data custodian, alam niyo yun. Kaya, magtuturuan pa ba kayo? Sino yung may hawak nung kopya?
Your Honor, ang nagre-receive po kasi nung body worn camera after ng operations is yung duty po namin dun sa may taas.
Sino duty at that time?
Si Pat Taguba po.
Sino?
Patrolwoman Taguba.
Taguba?
Opo.
Kasama ba siya dito sa operation? Hindi.
No po, duty po siya dun sa may taas namin, sir.
So, doon mo tinurn over.
Sa command center po. Doon po kasi nanggagaling yung BWC namin. Doon din po namin sinusurrender, Your Honor.
Okay. So, right away, pagdating doon sa end ng operation, pagbalik nyo sa SPD, isinurrender mo ba yan? Tingnan mo yung affidavit mo ha, kasi baka mamaya magkamali ka. Kasi doon sa affidavit na I read, ikaw naglipat, tapos ibinigay nyo sa data custodian. Yun ang pagkakabasa ko. Correct me if I'm wrong. Kasi pag iba sinabi mo, tapos binasa ko ulit mamaya yun, it can be cited for contempt ha. Sige, go ahead. Patrolman Acosta. Nilipat mo ba? Ikaw naglipat? This is the right time for you to answer rightly ha. Kasi pag na-compare namin yan, natatandaan ko, doon sa affidavit mo, inilipat, tapos saka dinala sa data custodian. Ang tanong kasi doon, ang susunod namin tatanong, kung wala nakita sila General Natates, ibig sabihin, may nagtanggal bago nyo sinabi sa data custodian. Aminin nyo na kung kasi malulubog kayo lalo.
Your Honor, yung BWC po kasi, na-extract lang po yun, Your Honor, doon po mismo sa message center, Your Honor. Hindi po kami pwedeng mag-extract doon, Your
So in
Honor.
other words, hindi ka naglipat nung from body-worn camera, nilagay nyo sa pinaka-mother unit, tapos yung data custodian na nakakita nun.
Yun po yung Your Honor, siya po yung binigay lang po namin yung BWC, Your Honor, at hinintay lang po namin na ilagay sa USB, Your Honor.
Okay, sige. So in other words, Congressman Busita, we will be asking the data custodian to be present on the next hearing.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. General Natante, sir. Dito po sa report, nabanggit ninyo na dine-activate yung body-worn camera and pinutol yung DVR. Kaya po ba natin itong i-prove, Mr. Chair?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, kailan po kaya ma-prove ng Honorable Regional Director ng NCRPO yung sinasabing dine-activate and kinat na DVR? When kaya po? When?
Yes, Your Honor. Actually, during the conduct of investigation and full-blown investigation, we're able to secure the DVR or the CCTV, including the footage of it.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. So, kailan po natin ma-present yon, yung video na yon? Video footage, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Your Honor. We can present now about the CCTV footage inside the premises where they search, including the CCTV footages outside the building or at the parking, at the hallway of the building, particularly on the 18th floor, para makita doon who are the personnel who entered the premises, including their actions thereat, kung sino yung mga yon, and including the CCTV. The CCTV on the hotel near the Southern Police District, particularly dun sa Bayani Road, where they kept the money, including footages of our usual investigation, informal investigation or interview to personnel who were investigated. Nandun, sir, kung ano yung sinasabi nila, including the interview by myself, by DRDO, General Attorney Gurat, and different officers and witnesses on Lieutenant Guevara, Lieutenant
So-
Colonel Guevara.
Thank you, General Nartates. So, Mr. Chair, General Nartates, are you telling us na nagsisinungaling si Major Quijana para sabihin niya na hindi siya nagbigay ng instruction to deactivate body worn camera at ikat yung DVR, Mr. Chair?
I believe in the statement of the two PNCOs who testified that they were ordered by Major Quijana to get or deactivate the
Yes, Mr. Chair. Balikan ko lang si General Nartates. Di po ba bago ikat yung DVR and bago i-deactivate yung body worn camera, may makikita tayo doon na nagbigay ba talaga siya ng instruction o hindi? Can we produce the evidence, Mr. Chair?
We cannot say that only the statement of the two PNCO, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, na-preserve po ba yung video doon sa body worn camera? Bago ikat or deactivate? Na-preserve po ba? Hindi.
It was preserved, Your Honor.
So kaya nating i-prove, Mr. Chair, kung sinong nagsisinungaling sa mga ito. Interested po kasi ito. Very interesting tong issue na to. Para ngayon pa lang, maside for contempt na natin, Mr. Chair, yung nagsisinungaling. Otherwise, para tayong nag-dribble lang dito. That's my point, Mr. Chair. So, General Nartates, can we get the evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. If can we allow the personnel from Regional Intelligence to present it?
Mr. Chair, pwede po ba? Baka may present yung ebidensya, Mr. Chair.
Ano yan?
Na nagbigay ng instruction si Major Quijana doon sa tatlong PNCO.
That's a very same questions that I was asking kung na-record ba yon sa yung Major Quijana was telling Patrolman Acosta that i-turn off yung kanyang body worn camera. You were asking that, di ba?
Yes,
Sir,
Mr. Chair.
In the negative.
Negative, Your Honor.
So negative yung area yun, wala sila doon. Siguro tinatanong mo yung sa CCTV, yung camera
Yes.
sa CCTV.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So during that time, Patrolman Acosta, nakabukas ang body worn camera, correct? Nung pinakat yung yung CCTV. Ay yung
No, Mr. Chair.
BDR.
Dalawa po yan eh. Siyempre, Mr. Chair, naka-on yung body worn camera. And nung magbigay ng instruction, na-record yun eh.
Yes, ako nga. Kaya nga, meron ba tayo na General Nartates? Doon sa body worn camera? Na in-order yung pagkat nung
Wala, Your Honor. None, Your Honor.
dali. Yung bang body worn camera, meron siyang voice over, di ba? Meron siyang voice recording, di ba?
Yes,
So
Your
doon sa inyong review, wala yung ganong
Negative, Your Honor.
negative. Okay, negative, Congressman.
So kung gano'n, Mr. Chair, talagang magiging hati yung opinion po ng PNCOs whether alin yung totoo, yung report ng RD or ng District Director. Kasi sinabi nga po dito na binigyan ng instruction, dini-activate yung body worn camera at kinat yung DVR. Anyway, mag-proceed na lang po ako doon sa next clarificatory questions ko po, Mr. Chair. Yung po bang sinasabing recovered or seized firearms with 2 magazine, yung po ba ay nandun sa search warrant, Mr. Chair? Mr. Chair, General Mariano,
Sir, based on the report, sir, I'm not part of the one who implement the SW, Mr. Chair. The best person to say is the chief of the DSOU, Mr. Chair.
okay, Colonel Guevara, Mr. Chair. Colonel Guevara, kasama ba doon sa search warrant yung dalawang M16? Nabanggit dito, 2 firearms and 2 magazines of M16. Yung bang binabanggit ditong firearms, M16 or hindi?
Yes, Your Honor. It was included in the application of search warrant. 2 short firearms and 1 M16, Your Honor.
So, kung short firearms, long firearms, yung 2 firearms.
2 short firearms, Mr. Chair.
And merong 2 magazines for M16, right?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
So, di ba laging magkasama yan yung magazines and firearms?
Yes, Mr. Chair, but during the search conducted, it was only the pouch of the M16 was there.
So walang M16.
Yes, Mr.
Walang
Chair.
magazine ng M16.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Based on the record, Mr.
Kaya napakahalaga nung nung camera Mr. Chair. Okay. Allegedly, almost 5 hours na binilang yung pera doon sa unit, doon sa room. May counting machine. Sino ang nagsabi na yung pera is 27 million? Colonel Guevara.
Sir, during the conduct of the search, Mr. Chair, it was during the time when we entered the area, it was there were amount of money placed on the table, Mr. Chair. That was the initial that was reported. That is the 4.6 million, Mr. Chair.
4.6 million.
Yes, Mr. Chair. That it was later during the later part of the operation. It was discovered 27 million, Mr. Chair.
Sinong nagsabi? Sinong nagbilang?
It was police staff sergeant Democrito, Mr. Chair.
Staff Sergeant?
Democrito, Mr. Chair.
Staff Sergeant
Mark Democrito, Mr. Chair.
Democrito. Where is he? Mr. Chair. Staff Sergeant Democrito.
Yes, Your Honor.
4.6 million and 27 million. Yung pinag-usapan natin dito, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Congressman Busita, before we proceed, allow me,
Yes,
we
Mr.
all
Chair.
know that the GPNP have a lot of things to address too, no? So we will be allowing, if there's no other query with regards to the presence of our GPNP, then you can ask the GPNP. But pag wala na po, i-allow na po natin ang ating pong GPNP to go, no? But before we allow him to go, we will be allowing him to state some statement, no?
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Yes,
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat po kay GPNP dahil yung matagal ng malpractice sa PNP na yung technical officers nilalagyan ng line officers pero yung technical officers hindi pinapayagang ma-assign sa line units. Ang tagal na po ng malpractice, Mr. Chair. Pero si GPNP lang po ang nag-ayos niyan. Kaya, Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat on behalf of technical officers of the PNP. The PNP, maraming salamat.
Okay, so Chairman GPNP, you are now recognized.
Yes, thank you for this opportunity again to be heard. And before I will leave, sir, I will make my manifestation that me being the GPNP, I'm assuring this honorable body and the Filipino people that we will see to it that the truth will come out. And also, may I take this opportunity to appeal to the PNP officers here present na sana ipakita natin sa taong bayan kung ano ang pulis. We've been gaining respect, we've been gaining trust rating, high trust rating. Sana wag nyo nang ipahiya ang pulis. And I think the only way that can save you in your administrative and criminal case is by telling the truth. Tutulungan ko kayo pag nagsasabi kayo ng totoo. Maraming salamat po.
Well said, GPNP. And with that, thank you so much for attending this committee hearing. So, Congressman Busita, you can proceed now.
Thank you, thank you. Police Staff Sergeant Democrito, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Your Honor.
How come na nalaman mo na 4.6 million yung nasa box ba or
Yung 4.6 million, Your Honor, hindi po ako kasama doon sa nagbilang po nun. Yung sa 27 million lang po yung nagbilang ko po, estimated doon sa
ikaw yung nagbilang?
nung inventory po, pina-inventory.
Mm.